Hi, welcome back to the George Fisher Water Break series. Today we'll talk with our webinar number 3, when the speed of repair is critical. Pipe water leaks are a regular occurrence. Most small issues can take a single afternoon to resolve, while some extensive problems may require a more or a week, which will keep residents without the use of water until the repairs are fixed. What matters is that you come to use a quality repair product solution, one that is unlikely to cause you a headache in the same way again and provide peace of mind. Below are a few reasons why you shouldn't ignore the dangers associated with pipe water leaks. Contamination entering the water network. A study from the University of Sheffield in 2015 showed that contaminants can enter the water network through leaks in our water systems and then travel onwards and enter the water systems onto our homes. The Safe Drinking Water Act defines the term contaminant as meaning any physical, chemical, biological, or radiological substance in matter in water. The top 4 are microorganisms such as E. coli, inorganic chemicals such as lead and arsenic, organic chemicals such as atrazine, disinfection byproducts such as chloroform. Lost water services in your community is also an issue when the speed of repair is critical. Constant access to fresh water is one of the most important conditions for comfort in your home. When our water lines break in our community, it disrupts the entire community, as we are no longer to use the water services in your homes that we take for granted, such as taking a shower or using the washroom. Sometimes these services don't get back online for hours, and sometimes even for days. Having the correct quality restraint coupling repair system handy will help to be able to reconnect these water services and restore water back into the community and help bring the treated water back into your home. For every hour lost to repairs is revenue lost to the municipalities, as well as the revenue of the treated water that washes into the ground before the repair is noticed. According to the City of Toronto's website, there are more than 6,100 kilometers of water mains in the City of Toronto water distribution system, with the average age is 61 years. 9% are 80 to 100 years, and 15% are more than 100 years. Within the City of Toronto, there are 1,100 water main breaks annually, and it costs on an average of $10,000 to $15,000 to repair a normal water main break. Sinkholes is also a major concern. When the speed of repair is critical and it gets ignored, there's a chance that a sinkhole may appear underneath the surface. When water pipes leak and go undetected, they can create sinkholes, and they can kill and injure people. People can be harmed when entering a sinkhole or when the ground underneath gives way during a sinkhole collapse. Sinkholes can cause structural damage with instability under buildings, roads, and bridges. Any sinkhole will cost huge major repair costs that could have been easily avoided. Historical restraint components for repairs are typically a lot of components, such as grip rings, restraint harnesses with tie rods, joint restraints, petroleum sealant tape, anodes, thrust blocks, threaded rods, nush, and washers. Time is money, and all these components have a huge cost associated with it, as well as huge installation times. However, our GF multi-joint restraint coupling is a one-piece restraint coupling system. We have a wide range to handle the different pipe material ODs. We have 16 degrees of angularity, 8 degrees per side, prevents axial movement and pipe pullout, provides an internal restraint, no need to disassemble before installation, allowing dynamic deflection which absorbs the ground movement, helps prevent future pipe breakage, and our system installs in minutes and not hours. Our GF multi-joint restraint system is designed to provide quick, quality, flexible restraint connections without the extra costs of thrust blocks or any other restraints. GF multi-joint flexible restraint system is our peace of mind solution. No matter the pipe material or configuration, GF Multijoint is your flexible restraint connection. Learn more in the next episode. Thank you for taking the time and listening. Please stay safe.